Very interesting indeed out here at the park. I believe these are bird houses, if I'm not mistaken. They look quite nice, actually. Very nice, actually. Wow. Okay. This is a track where you can walk. Okay. You can walk around this track. Wow. More bird houses. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, it's a bird habitat. I think the food inside feed the birds and so on. Yeah, I like this. I like the idea and the concept. I think I would love to have one of these in my backyard at home. This is a long track. I don't think I can walk that. I'll have to rest a little bit, and then I'll walk again.